have ordered the MSC. See what she has to offer in comparison to the Domino.
Where's the buffet?
Buffet this way. This is something about buffet this way.
Change the time. You're gonna have to go to guest services.
Where's the buffet?
Deck 14.
Specific one.
Your assigned service station is indicated.
Alright guys, I'm here on MSC and I've heard how chaotic the buffet is. I'll give you guys an example. I'm not even gonna eat right now. Yeah, here you go. Sorry. There are no available chairs, as you can see in the entire place. Not one chair available. Saw people going in different directions at the buffet. And it is pretty much what everybody said it is. Now, I haven't eaten, so I don't know if they've run out of anything. You know, there's not one table to sit at, so I figured I'd take this time to walk around. But the buffet line has completely died down, I guess, because there's nowhere to sit. Yeah. Walking around trying to show this chaos. Yeah. Excuse me.
Hey, bro.
Yes, sir.
Get the shirt.
Adulting would not recommend.
You gotta get it.
Where you from, man?
I'm from North Carolina.
North Carolina, for sure, man. Oh, excuse me. Not a joke. Excuse me. It is a little chaotic, so I think I'll be eating later after everybody's good, fat, full, and sitting down somewhere. And one of the differences I have noticed about MSC is not as many youngsters on here. On Carnival, it can get pretty rowdy. I guess it's more family oriented. I don't know. This is more laid back and relaxed a little bit because they don't do quite the wild parties and the theme nights and stuff like that here on MSC. So I guess it doesn't appeal to a certain crowd, but either way, it's not as bad as Carnival. But it is pretty chaotic looking at the buffet line, so. Oh, excuse me. All right, I think I just made a full circle, so there you go, just a little bird's eye view on how it looked to get around through the buffet. See you guys in a minute.
Apparently they won't think they'll get checked for whatever the reason is, and we're just trying to find whoever's at the top.
All right, So I see there are the plates here, and whatever this is, they're out of. So I'm gonna go to the other end and see if I can find that plate, and I guess I'll come back. So one thing that wasn't exaggerated was them running out of food and running out of plates, because it has happened. I guess when they say they run out of different items, they literally run out, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trays are empty. And I have to say, on Carnival, the trays never got a chance to get empty. Before the trays got empty, they was already refilling them. So I guess that part of the rumor was correct. This is definitely going to have to be time-lapsed. We've been standing here probably about 10 minutes, so once it starts and they come out and bring the food, I'm going to time-lapse it just to show you how long it took for them to bring it out. Okay, they just brought out these omelet-looking things, which is a definite no. You want this?
I want bacon.
They out. We all waiting. And they refilled the beans, the one thing that's not empty. Wow.
That's bacon or no?
And they finally came out to fill a couple of trays. Looked like he got 3 with some fresh scrambled eggs. Looked like some sausage. Sausage. And looked like bacon. Just that quick, the bacon is gone, and we had about 2 or 3 people jump the line. Where you get hash browns? We've been waiting 30 minutes.
Over here, but I hadn't got the last 2. They haven't brought out new ones yet.
They got more eggs over there too?
Yeah, I took the last one.
Welcome to Hoochie Burger. Now take your order, please.
They call me Mr. Lucky for real, for real. Wipe me down when you see me. Big go boom when I stayed off. Ain't no contradicting this to the moon when I take off. Think I'll be my witness, right? Stand on their business. Mr. Lucky for real, for real. They call me Mr. Lucky for real, for real. Wipe me down when you see me. Big go boom when I skate off.
Lucky for real, for real. For real.